digital world is booming and the AI influencer market is actually booming. People are actually creating AI influencers to actually monetize in various ways, and I'm going to be sharing with them. But the big question is, how do I make my own AI influencer? On this channel, or maybe on this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my own AI influencer called Zuri.
My name is Zuri. Welcome to this channel. Where are you watching me from?
So the first step is actually, you can do it using a lot of AI tools there. Some of them which are actually completely free and easy to start. So, and also others which are actually advanced like Midjourney. For today, for best results, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate one like this one. And we're going to be using Keto. Why Keto? Keto.com is one of the best platforms when it comes to actually creating AI influencers. And also not just creating, but it has a lot to offer in terms of templates, graphics, fonts, and much more that you can actually utilize to even create more money or maybe make more money in 2026. So the first thing is for you to go and sign up for keto.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you do that, you're gonna choose a new project like that. Once you choose new project, let me just sign up on this one. Okay, once you choose new project, what we want to do is actually for you to do what to use the AI. They have the AI thing, image generator. So you're gonna actually go there and insert your prompt here. Okay, for us, for you to get the best result when it comes to AI influencer, you have to make sure that you know what you want to dive in. Let's say if you want to use this for UGC, you have to make sure that you are branding her accordingly or him accordingly. For instance, for me, I want something luxury. She must be luxury. She must be African melanin. And also she must be super, super stunning with African hairstyle. So I'm going to have a prompt. If you want this prompt, I'll leave in the description as well, and you can try. So I'm using high fashion editorial portrait of a stunning African woman, radiant deep ebony skin with luminous dewy texture. Of course, the prompt is here, so I won't read all of it, but that's, you already seen what I want to actually create. You have to make sure that you are inserting in something like the ethnicity, the role, how you want the texture of her skin to be. Okay, and also the framework in terms of if it is 8K resolution, character reference, or stuff like that. Okay, or photorealism or stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna put here our prompt, and then we're gonna simply just do what, say generate. As you can see here, it is being generated. The reason why this is small, it is because I want to see what I'm generating, but you can actually enlarge, and there we have, you can see it has generated 2 of them, which is our seed for starting out. And can you tell me, guys, this is super amazing. You can see the best thing about using Keto, it gives you the ability to actually resize all the work that you want to do. So if I compare this one and this one, I think all of them, they look pretty much beautiful. And you can see how beautiful she is, the ebony, the skin texture and everything. So I'm gonna take this one and then I'm gonna download. Okay, just like that, we're gonna download as PNG. Now there are various ways to actually to animate this, but I want to show you a free version or a free way to do it using the next step, which is Grok, or maybe the next AI tool is Grok. It is free. If you want, you can try even just right now. So what we want to do, we're gonna bring our image. First you go to Grok and then you choose imagination, okay, this feature, and then you're gonna bring your AI image that you have generated. You're gonna actually add there. Want to add your image there, what you want to do, you go up down here and then you select the resolution, and also you say you want to make it a video. Once you click there, you can see it will start making it a video. Okay, here. So we can put here our prompt if you want. Let's say if this is the image that we want, We don't want to edit. We can make it a video by clicking like that, and you can see it's going to start creating a video. But we also have the ability to give it a prompt so that we know exactly what we want. Let's say if her name is Zuri, so let's try something like we say something like, let her say, my name is Zuri. Okay, let me write this one. Zuri, welcome to this channel. Okay, and then we click here. Let's see what it's going to generate if we have given that prompt to see what it's going to generate. Okay, let it give, we're going to give it a few minutes, as you can see. And the best thing is that Croc AI has a lot to offer also when it comes to image editing, image creation, maybe video generation. I love Croc because it gives just simple and also not simple but faster ways to actually do this. So let's see.
My name is Zuri. Welcome to this channel. My name is Zuri.
There we have, you can see she's saying exactly what I have told her to actually say. If we want to add something like, let's say, where are you from? Where are you watching me from? Okay, let's see. And then we're gonna actually do it like this and wait for a few minutes to see what it's gonna generate. Remember, these are all AI stuff, and sometimes they are not 100% what you expect the outcome. But at the starting point, as a beginner, you can actually vibe code like this and just create something from using AI stuff. Okay, so let's see.
Ms. Zuri, welcome to this channel. Where are you watching me from? My name is Zuri, welcome to this channel. Where are you watching me from? My name is Zuri, welcome to this channel. Where are you watching me from?
You can see once you have done that, you can actually download and use wherever you want to use, just like that. Download here, and then it's gonna start downloading, and you have an AI influencer that is not just a photo or maybe a stack photo, but it is really like it is a really talking avatar that you can actually use for your own project. For instance, if you're doing a faceless channel, or maybe you want to start your own faceless channel, you can use something like this to actually start posting, especially when it comes to actually creating reels or maybe short videos. And the best thing is that you can still do this and actually keep her identity in terms of the face. As you have seen, this is the image that we gave her. And then what it has actually, this is the image that we gave, this is the image that we used. And if you see very well, you see here, you can see the image is still the same, everything is still intact the way we want. For instance, if you want maybe to change her clothes, let's say if we want to change her clothes, let's see, we can give it a prompt like first we're gonna actually go here. Not if we want her to wear a pink dress and also sitting at the bedside. Let's just see if it's gonna actually create. Okay, and you can see it's gonna give us, or maybe it's gonna actually take a few minutes, a few seconds actually, to actually start generating. And then we see, let's just give it a few minutes to see. And by the way, if you're loving the content, you want to see more easy ways to actually make AI influencers and monetize, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is it. You can see she's changing so quickly. Now, I want you to realize something. When the AI is, because we are dealing with AI, and I told you guys this is not 100% perfect, but you can even see that it has actually kept her identity, her looks. Okay, she's wearing the pink outfit. So if you're a person, if you're clever enough, if you want to use this, you can still go ahead and do what, cut this part, the first part, so that you are remaining with this, only this part. Okay, Okay, and I know that we have other tools like, let's say, Clinch AI, that is awesome when it comes to actually doing what, creating stuff like that. Let's go to Clinch AI to see how it gonna do, or maybe how it gonna do what it gonna generate our images, not our images but our videos. Okay, let me put this one down. Clinch AI is one of the best also when it comes to actually image generation and also video transformation or animation. So we're gonna click create now, and let's see what it's gonna create. Just a moment, guys. So we're gonna insert, we want to create a video. Forget about these ones. Generate what, video, yeah, video generation. So we're gonna pick what we had here. What is the image here? Then we put here. Okay, we insert our image there. Okay, this is the image. You can add in an end frame if you want, and then you're gonna actually, here you can put something, a prompt that you want her maybe speak or say something. Okay, so we're gonna say, let's say, let her smile, hands moving. Okay, so this is it. Let's see, and then you're gonna click generate. Okay, as you can see, the project has been generated. We're gonna give it a few minutes to actually start.